everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. This week's Wig Wednesday is going to be a very special one. I will actually be showing you guys how I tint my lace with an amazing product from Toppik. You guys know that I absolutely love using Toppik products. I am so excited to work with them again, and I'll actually be showing you guys this with the wig that I reviewed last week, which is the Nala Locks Paw Wig. Toppik sent me Root Touch-Up Spray, which I think is going to be the perfect remedy for tinting your lace on your wigs. I'm telling you guys, I thought about this idea and I put it to use and it worked perfectly. Toppik sent me two colors. This one is in the dark brown and this one is in the black. The dark brown is actually the one that worked perfect on my lace, but I'm so happy that I have both colors because now I'll be able to use these for my wigs, for my edges, whatever I need them for. Also, this is the perfect holiday gift for a family member or a friend. All of their products are amazing. I can't wait though to show you guys how this works on the lace. Your minds are going to be blown. Also, Toppik sent me something that I have been waiting to try for a very long time now. Their brow building fibers. So I'll also be showing you guys how I use the Toppik brow building fibers as well in this video. A special thank you to Toppik for working with me for this video. I am so thrilled to show you guys how their Root Touch-Up Spray is literally the most legit way to tint your lace. So if you'd like to see how Toppik Root Touch-Up Spray works on Miss Paw, keep on watching.
I never like, I never like, I never like, I never like. Never like,